The Sony Xperia VIII 2027 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting flagship smartphones ever released. By Sony, known for its premium design and cutting-edge technology, Sony is once again pushing boundaries, and this device proves it. Right from the first look, the Xperia VIII screams elegance. It features a tall and cinematic 6.5-inch 4K OLED display with a 21:9 aspect ratio, making it perfect for watching movies, gaming, and content creation. The display is expected to support a 144Hz refresh rate, offering ultra-smooth scrolling and a buttery gaming experience. Colors look incredibly vibrant, and the clarity is simply unmatched. This is easily one of the best smartphone displays in the market. Performance-wise, the Xperia VIII is rumored to be powered by the latest Snapdragon flagship chipset, delivering lightning-fast speed and efficiency. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos, this phone handles everything effortlessly. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, you'll never feel limited. Now let's talk about cameras, because Sony never disappoints here. The Xperia VIII is expected to feature a powerful triple or quad camera setup with Zeiss optics. With advanced AI enhancements and Sony's alpha camera technology, this phone is a dream for photography lovers. From stunning portraits to ultra-clear night shots and professional-grade video recording, this device brings a true DSLR-like experience into your pocket. Battery life is another strong point. The Xperia VIII may come with a large battery supported by fast charging and wireless charging. Sony's battery optimization ensures all-day usage without worry, even for heavy users. What truly sets Sony apart is its attention to detail. The Xperia VIII is expected to retain features like a 3.5mm headphone jack, front-facing stereo speakers, and IP68 water resistance, features that many brands have removed. This makes it a complete package for audiophiles and power users alike. The design remains sleek and minimal, with a premium glass and metal build that feels solid in hand. Sony's signature design language gives it a unique identity compared to other smartphones. In conclusion, the Sony Xperia VIII is not just a smartphone, it's a powerhouse designed for creators, gamers, and tech enthusiasts. If Sony delivers on these expectations, this device could easily compete with the biggest flagship phones in the world. Stay tuned to upcoming Smartphones Hub for more updates, leaks, and the full review once it officially launches. Fire mobile phone.